Hello. In this video we are going to install PyDev. So to get more information, we are not going to go to there. We are going to PyDev. Okay, so here's PyDev, and PyDev is probably the best Python integrated development environment out there. So we are moving straight to the top here, which is awesome. And there is if we go to the main PyDev website, there is a getting started guide, which has a lot of great information in it. If these videos are not sufficient, that would be a good place to go. So we are going to go to the download section. We are again strongly advised to go to the getting started guide, but we're going to skip it. Hee hee. And we're going to go to the URLs for PyDev as Eclipse plugin, because that's what we want. So it's http pydev.org/updates. So I am going to highlight that and copy it. Next I'm going to start Eclipse up if it's not already started. You can create you should probably create a shortcut for it if you're going to be frequently using it. Okay, now we are going to update Eclipse. So we're going to do that by going to install new software from help. Okay, and then we are going to add a site, PyDev. Okay, it's going to go away and look for it. And we want all of this. We do not care about myelin, or at least I don't. And then it's going to go and try to figure out everything that it needs. This is going to perhaps take a minute, so let's come back when it's done. Okay, after 40 additional seconds, I got to here. I'm going to say next. I'm going to accept this license agreement and say finish, and then it's going to install the software. Okay, once again, we're going to take a little break while all that happens. Okay, after another 47 seconds, it showed me this. Do I trust these certificates? Well, I guess I do. All right, restart Eclipse. Very well, go ahead. Eclipse Indigo. And because I checked the box, it's not going to ask me again about my workspace. And here we are now. We are able to open the PyDev perspective. So the PyDev perspective is the one you want to use when you are doing work in Python. And then we can make a new project. Just make a default project. Oh, right, project interpreter not specified. So we need to configure an interpreter. This is super important. So we're going to get a new one. And I'm going to go get the Python version for that's for our